Hi Virgos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Virgos, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship. Virgos, we are picking these cards, guys. If you want more clarity in your situation, Virgos, you can watch the pick a card love reading I have right after this general energy, guys. So you can stay tuned for that. So let's see what are these cards, guys. We have Eight of Wands, Page of Cups in reverse, and Moon in reverse. So in your situation, Virgos, it may be in your work situation or it may be in your relationship. Today you may feel that something is obstructing your vision or something is obstructing the clarity you have. Maybe in your work, maybe when you're making some decisions, you have some confusion which way to go or what to decide, and maybe you have maybe you are waiting for some answers from someone, some clarity in your work, but this person is silent, or maybe you are depending on a team for giving you some kind of a result and it is not yet come to you and you have not received today. So some kind of worries, stress, confusions are there today, guys, in your situation, some kind of obstacles, and the reasons may be this person, someone in your work maybe, or this person you love, they are not truthful or they are not honest with you. They are hiding some things, guys. They just don't want to reveal their emotions to you, because maybe for some of you this may be a new relationship. That may be the reason they are not yet free with you. They don't feel free to tell you everything. They need time, they need more time, maybe for some of you. But for some of you, they are not honest, guys. They don't want to reveal their life to you or the truth. Maybe they are they are not happy about it. Maybe they want to hide because of that. They are not happy about their past, what happened and what they did, so they don't want to tell you that other side of their life. But they love you truly, guys. That is the reason they don't want to lose you by telling you their past. So that is the reason they are hiding their past life, guys, because they cannot lose you or they don't want to lose you. They are in love with you, guys. And I also see that in your situation, guys, happiness is unfolding. So maybe in your work situation or in your relationship, though this person may be hiding something, hiding their past, they are not revealing something, the love they have towards you is true and it is going to unfold great happiness, hope and success in your future, and you are really going to feel happy to be in this connection with this person, and maybe there is a positive future waiting for you, guys, Virgos, with this person you love. So that is the reading with these cards, Virgos. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, you can stay tuned for that pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Virgos. For your love reading, guys, it's going to be like a pick a card, and we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card, and this is your first crystal and second crystal. So you can either choose the crystals or the cards. So before choosing, we will close our eyes, meditate for a few seconds, think about our situation that needs to be answered. Then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first, guys. So that way the reading may resonate. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys. So now let's start with the first card. I will keep this crystal and this card aside. So we will see what is the card for those who chose this card. Let's see what it is. It's an angel card, guys, and it is Archangel Raphael. So with this card, whenever we get an angel card, it just means that angels are here guiding us today, helping us out in this particular situation. So this angel stands for healing, guys, healing at all levels, healing mentally, spiritually, emotionally, and physically. And his healing light will ensure safety for us, safe travel, and guiding us and helping us, assisting us to reach our destination. So it may be a destination we may be reaching physically, or it may be a dream destination for ourselves, maybe the emotional growth that we have, vision for ourselves, or a spiritual growth that we have hopes for in our future. So whatever the destination is, this angel is here guiding us to have that potential and choosing a nurturing and a very healthy lifestyle for us to follow, so that it will increase our potential we have in our life, guys. And with this card, there is also that energy for you to heal yourself and help others also to heal in their situation. So whatever is beneficial for you and for the people around you or the people with you, to help them in their physical and spiritual growth. So you should go for those actions, and we will get that insight and clarity in our situation. So whatever needs to be done, that is what this angel is here guiding us today, guys. So maybe it is time we are maybe in a circumstance healing from something, maybe healing from an illness or healing from some emotional stress, and this angel is here guiding us today to get that clarity, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading with this card. So let's keep this card aside. So for those who chose this crystal and the second card, we will see what is the card, and it says come to the edge. So with this card, guys, it just means that today it is the time for us to take that leap of faith in our situation, overcoming fear and accepting the risk that we are facing today in that circumstance. So in a relationship, sometimes we need to take a risk. So we often hide ourselves, protect ourselves, so we never reveal what we truly feel to that other person. But today, maybe you need to take that risk yourself, allow yourself to be truly seen. So what you are, you need to show it to that other person. So it is important for you to speak up, voice what you need and say what you want, and only then this person will understand you and you will be able to build an authentic relationship. So if you want a deep, meaningful relationship, this is not the time for you to play it safe, but it is the time to take that leap of faith, take that one step towards truth and reveal what you truly want to this other person. And you have to have courage in your heart, guys, and need not fear about what this person will think or what they will assume of you. So you have to just show them the truth, and you need not fear. The results will be amazing, and you will feel wonderful for having shown this person your true nature, your true feelings, and your true emotions. And this is the time for that. So that is the reading with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the energy with this card. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.